Hello, welcome to the science class. In the last class, we have been discussing Unit 2, Lesson 1, Lives of Humans and Animals. Okay, we are going to continue the lesson 1. Okay, in the last class, we discussed about the basic needs for human, right? The basic needs are water, food, air, right? That is the basic need for human. Now we are discussing the basic needs for animals, right? Okay. We learned that animals also need food, water, and air for living and growing, right? Okay. Uh, Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy to do the activities like jumping, walking, hunting. All the activities the animals do requires energy. The energy we get from food. Okay, and they also need water and also need air, that is oxygen from air for breathing, right? Okay, let's discuss about each one. First one is food. Okay, uh, we all, like humans, also animals also need food for growing bigger and heavier, right? Food is very important for living and growing. Some different animals eat different foods. Okay, there are animals like cow, they only eat grass. But in the case of lion, tiger, they eat other animals. Okay, okay. Without food, animals cannot live. Okay, what is the benefit of food to animals? Food is an energy source that I mentioned. Food is an energy source for doing the activities. And second one, food keeps animals healthy. Okay, healthy and keep their body to work well. It keeps the body healthy. It gets energy. Next, third one, food builds muscles and bones. Okay, muscles and bones in animals, and also their body grow well. And if there is any damaged tissue, damaged part, the food will repair. Okay, so the benefit is food gives us energy. Second one, food keeps us healthy and keep their body to work well. And third one, food builds muscles and bones to animals so that the body can grow. Okay, you can see the lion is hunting a deer for its food. Okay, so all animals need food. So the lion is hunting a deer for its food. Okay, you can see a bird. Some birds eat both plants and animals. Okay, there are some birds which eat small insect and they also eat plants. Okay, this food, benefit of food. Next is water and its benefits. Animals also need water for living and growing. Hmm? They need to drink water for their body to work well. They drink water. Okay, without water, animals will be die because of dehydration. Hmm? Okay, like us humans, animals also needs water. Okay, let's discuss benefits of water. Benefit is for drinking. Next is water forms parts of animals and makes the body to work well. That discuss the food. It also makes the body to work well. And water controls, third one is water controls the body temperature. Okay, water controls the body temperature. Next one, some animals live and nurse their young ones in water. Like we know fishes. Fishes lives in water. They lay eggs in the water and they nurse in the water. Okay. Water is the living area or living space for fish. Hmm? Okay, you can see a deer is drinking water and a bird drink water to work the body well. Okay, next we have air. Air. We all know we need oxygen for breathing, right? Okay, like humans, animals also need oxygen for their body to work well. Okay, and some animals uses air for flying. Okay, for example, birds uses air for flying. Hmm? Okay. Air pushes their under the wings. When they are flying, air pushes the wings forward so that they can easily fly. Okay, like birds, insects, bat. Without air, animals will die. Next, benefits of air. We all know it's used for breathing. Hmm? And also it blocks UV rays from sun. We all know sun has harmful ultraviolet radiations or ultraviolet rays from the sun. Okay, it blocks the air act as a blanket. Okay, air act as a blanket for protecting the earth from the UV rays from the sun. Okay, it is harmful for like humans also it is harmful, and for animals is also harmful. Okay, and fourth one, air controls the earth temperature. Hmm? It controls the earth temperature, making it good. Okay, it make all good for living. And fourth one, helps some animal to fly easily, like birds, like small insects. They help to fly easily. Hmm? Okay, birds flying by pushing down air on their wings. Okay, they pushes the air and they fly. Okay, and fishes, like we know, we all humans and animals, we breathe oxygen, right? Okay, for fishes, oxygen is dissolved. Oxygen is in the water. Oxygen is dissolved in the water for the breathing. Okay, fishes breathe dissolved oxygen in the water. Okay, okay, that is all about our lesson one. Okay, lesson one, unit two. Okay, in the next class we can start our new unit. Okay, okay, see you in the next class. If you have any doubt, please ask me. If you have any doubt regarding my topic, you can ask me in my line group. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye. See you. Take care.